G'day team, I'm Scotty Heiman and this is Heiman Habitat, and welcome to our front garden. Now here we've got some pretty crap soil underneath us. Now we've been working on this for about 6 to 8 years now and it's still crap. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify it and make some raised beds out of old wooden pallets. But you'll notice down here that there's some markings. Those markings are HT for heat treated, DB for debarked. Now those ones are fine either by themselves or together in a pallet. But if you see one marked MB for methyl bromide, that's a no-go zone, because that actually is a chemical that's been used to fumigate the pallets, and it'll actually seep into the soil and then into your plants. And that's bad juju. So what we're doing here is we're measuring some spare pallet boards that we've taken off another pallet, so we can fill in those gaps along the sides of the pallet so that the soil doesn't ooze out. Now guys, don't think that this is all waste with these offcuts either, because they're great for your pizza oven, your kindling to get your internal combustion stove going, but don't burn the wooden pallets with methyl bromide, because the fumes from that can make you sick, and also the rest of the community as it comes out your chimney. So forget about methyl bromide completely, but these bits, they're good to go. Now you don't just grab pallets and whack them on top of each other. This one's the bottom one, so I've gotten rid of all the cross members from here on both sides. That'll go on the bottom. And then this one, I've removed every second one. This is the top one, and that's where we'll be doing the planting. So all the boards here will also help stop the evaporation, very much like mulch does, like the beds behind me. That'll do. One of the important things here is to make sure you get the right mix to fill in with your pallets. So make sure you take to your local landscaper guy, because there's a very big difference between veggie mix, garden mix and compost. So have a chat, find out what the right type by their naming convention should be going into your pallets to plant in it straight away. Now after all that hard work, we don't just walk away from it. The beds are now standing proud and they are open to the elements. So just like you would any other bed, mulch it up and to help try and keep that moisture in there, because now being so proud it's subject to the wind and it will evaporate a touch. So you've got to keep an eye on that. And in the meantime, what we'll do is we'll plant some flowering partners down there to encourage in the pollinators, and then we'll put some green manure on the floor and we'll see how that goes and dig it in later. I'm Scotty Heiman and this is Heiman Habitat, and that's my kind of thinking.